How to change address on Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin panel, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on store details and scroll down to the address section and click on edit next to it. And here you will be able to change your address starting from the country/region and moving to the street address, then the apartment/suite, etc., then the city, state, and zip code. And once you change everything, say for example you change this, click on the save button at the top right of the screen to save it. So that is it for this video. That's how you can change your address in Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.